Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Google Chrome browser on your PC. You need to go to the settings. For that, you need to click on three-dotted vertical line on top right of your screen. There at the little down, you can see the option of settings. You click on it. Inside the settings space, at the left panel, you can see the option of privacy and security. Click on it. Here, inside privacy and security, at the second option, you can see cookies and other site data. You click on it. Here, inside general settings, you can see options of allow all cookies, block third-party cookies in incognito, block third-party cookies, and at last, block all cookies. To enable cookies on Google Chrome, you need to click on the very first option, that is allow all cookies. With that, the site can use cookies to improve your browsing experience from now on. This is how you can enable cookies in Google Chrome. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. Thank you.